My dear students, ഇന്ന് നമുക്ക് 3-dimensional geometry, probability and differential equations 40 questions discuss here. The points -1, -3, -4. Look, first octant in the third, first octant, second, third, fourth. First octant in the third, fifth. Second in the third, sixth. Third in the third, seventh. Fourth in the third, eighth. So look, seventh octant. X-axis is negative direction. Y-axis is negative direction. Z-axis also in the negative direction. Therefore, all the three coordinates are negative. Hence, the correct answer is 7th octant. The three vertices of a parallelogram are for a very parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, middle point of AC is middle point of DB. That can be done by x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2. The correct answer is 4, minus 5, 2. R is equal to 3i plus 4j plus 5k. Then we have to find the direction ratios. You look, if R vector is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, then L is equal to x by modulus r, M is equal to y by modulus r, N is equal to Z by modulus R. We get therefore the direction ratios are, the correct choice is A choice. Okay. The equation of a line passing through the point 2, 4, 6 and parallel to the line x minus 3 by 2 equals y minus 1 by 2 equals Z minus 4 by 5. It is given the required line passes through the point 2 minus 2, 4, 4, 6 and both the lines are parallel. Therefore, direction ratios of the required line is also 2:2:5. Hence, the equation of the line is R is equal to A plus lambda B, that is R is equal to 2A plus 3J, 4J plus 6K plus lambda into 2A plus 2J plus 5K. The fifth question is direction ratios of the line 6x minus 2 equals 3y plus 1 equals is 2z minus 2. Then you have to bring it to the strict standard form. That is x minus x1 by a1 is equal to x minus x1 by a equals y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. That is coefficient of x and coefficient of y and coefficient of z must be unity. First, you have to bring the given equation into the strict form, strict standard form. That is x minus x1 by a equals y minus y1 by b equals z minus z1 by c. Then we get the direction ratios. The correct answer is 1:2:3. Sixth question, we are given two lines. That in order to find the angle between two lines, we need the direction ratios only. The direction ratios, the first line is 6:8:10. Direction ratios of second line is 2:2:2. You know, if the direction ratios are given, then angle between the lines is theta, then cos theta is equal to A1A2 plus B1B2 plus C1C2 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Here A1 is equal to 6, B1 is equal to 8, C1 is equal to 10, A2 is equal to 2, B2 is equal to 2, C2 is equal to 2. applying the direction ratios in the formula. Cos theta is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of b2 square plus b1 square plus b2 square plus b3 square. We get theta is cos theta is 2 root 2 by 3 or theta is cos inverse 2 root 2 by 3. The seventh question. We have two straight lines and both the lines are perpendicular. In 3D, what is the condition for perpendicularity of two lines? Sum of the product of the direction ratios 0. For the first line, the direction ratios are 2, 1, 3. For the second line, the direction ratios are lambda, lambda plus 1, lambda plus 2. Then, what is the condition? A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is 0. Sum of the product of the direction ratios 0. Here A1 is minus 2, B1 is 1, C1 is 3. A2 is lambda, B2 is lambda plus 1, C2 is lambda plus 2. Putting the values of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 in the formula A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is 0, we get the value of lambda as minus 7 by 2. A line makes angles alpha, beta and gamma with positive directions of x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Then we have to find sin square alpha plus sin square beta minus cos square gamma. Sin square alpha plus sin square beta minus cos square gamma. If alpha beta are direct angles and cos alpha LMN are direction cosines, then h square plus m square plus n square is 1. That is cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is 1. That is h square plus m square plus n square is 1. Sum of the squares of the direction cosines 1. That is cos square alpha plus cos square beta. Here we want cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is 1. Then what about sin square alpha? 1 minus cos square alpha. What about sin square beta? 1 minus cos square beta minus cos square alpha. 1 plus 1 plus 2 cos square alpha minus of cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma. That is 2 minus 1 which gives 1. The correct choice is C choice. The symmetric equation of the straight line passing through the point minus 1, 4, 2, minus 3, 0, 5. Minus 1, 4, minus 3, 0, 5. Our line passes through the point minus 1, 4, 2. In order to get the equation of a line, we need a point on the line plus direction ratios of the line. If we are given 2 points, we have 2 points on the line. Therefore, the direction ratios is x2 minus x1 is to y2 minus y1 is to is a 2 minus z1. x2 minus x1 is to minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, 3 are the direction ratios. So, the required line is line passes through the point minus 1, 4, 2 with the direction ratios minus 2, minus 4 and plus 3 are still a plus lambda b or x minus x1 by a1 is zero, y minus y1 by a2 is zero, z minus z1 by a3. The correct answer is C choice. 10th question. If a line makes an angle alpha, beta and gamma with x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, then cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma. Cos 2 alpha, we need cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma. 2 cos square alpha plus minus 1 plus 2 cos square beta minus 1 plus 2 cos square gamma minus 1. Because cos 2 alpha is 2 cos square alpha minus 1, cos 2 beta is 2 cos square beta minus 1, cos 2 gamma is 2 cos square gamma minus 1. Then we get minus 3 plus 2 into cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma. You know cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is still 1. Therefore, minus 3 plus 2, which gives minus 1. 11th question. If a straight line makes an angle 60 degree, 45 degree, and alpha with x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis, then we have to find sin square alpha. We know 60 degree and 45 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, and alpha are directed angles. We know sum of the squares of the direction cosine 0. Therefore, cos 60 plus cos 45 plus cos square alpha is still 1. You know the value of cos square 60, cos square, and this is still 1 minus 2, 1 minus sin square alpha is still 1. Then we get the value of alpha is substituting the values of cos square 60, cos square 45, and cos square. Instead of cos square gamma, 1 minus sin square alpha is 11. We get the sin square alpha as the correct choice is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the correct answer. Choice. 12th question. If the xy plane divides the straight line joining 2, 4, 7, 3 minus 5, 8 in the ratio alpha is to 1, then the value of alpha. This is xy plane. The points are 2, 4, 7, 3 minus 5, 8. This is the point A, this one is the point B. This one, P divides the xy plane. Then we are given AP is to PB is equal to alpha is to 1. We can apply section formula. M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2, M1 z2 plus M2 z1 by M1 plus M2. You look on the xy plane, y coordinate is, look, we have to correct the question on xz plane. The plane is not xy plane, it is xz plane. On the xz plane, y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. Therefore, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2 is 0. Substituting, we get the value of the correct choice is D. The direction cosines of the vector 2i minus a plus 2k. If R is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, then you know L is equal to x by modulus R, M is equal to y by modulus R, N is equal to z by modulus R. Then here A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 1, C is equal to plus 2. Then direction cosines are x by modulus R, 2 by modulus R, minus 1 by modulus R, and 2 by modulus R. Modulus R is root of 4 plus 1 plus 4, 9. The correct choice is B choice. B choice is the correct choice. 14th question. The equation of a line passing through the point 4, minus 3, minus 2 and 2, 0, 5. We are given 2 points on the line. In order to find the equation of a line, we need a point on the line plus direction ratios of the line. Here we are given 2 points. We can take any one of the 2 points. And direction ratios can be found out. What is the direction ratios of the line joined by x1 y1 z and x2 y2 z2, x2 minus x1 is to y2 minus y1 is to z2 minus z1. Therefore, we subtracting the corresponding x coordinate, y coordinate and z coordinate, we get the direction ratios. Then applying the formula R is equal to A plus lambda B, we get the correct choice as a C choice. 50th question. The foot of the perpendicular from the point 163 to the line. The given line is x by 1 equals y minus 1 by 2 equals z minus 2 is equal to 3 equals lambda. You look any point on the line is x is equal to lambda, y is equal to 2 lambda plus 1, z is equal to 3 lambda plus 2. Let this point P, what are the perpendicular be P, then lambda comma 2 lambda plus 1 comma 3 lambda plus 2. Coordinate of PB. The value of P depends on the value of lambda. We can find the value, what of AP and the line, given line, they are perpendicular. If two lines are perpendicular, sum of the product of the direction ratios is 0. Direction ratios of the given line is 1:2:3. Direction ratios of AP is lambda minus 1 is to 2 lambda plus 1 minus 6 mm, 2 lambda minus 5 is to 3 lambda plus 2 minus 3 mm, 3 lambda minus 1. So we got the direction ratios of AP also. Direction ratios of the given line is 1, 2, 3. The condition for perpendicular to two lines is sum of the product of the direction ratios is 0. That is A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2, C is 0. Applying it, we get the value of lambda as 1. Therefore, what are the perpendicular is C choice 1, 3, 5. 60 the question. The angle between the lines. You know the direction ratios of the first line is minus 1 is to 4 is to plus 2, and the direction ratios of the second line is 3 is to 0 is to 4. What is the condition for perpendicular to two lines? Sum of the product of the direction ratios is 0. Therefore, we get cos theta is 1 by root 21. Therefore, the angle is cos inverse 1 by root 21. What is condition for coplanarity of lines? x2 minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Direction ratios of minus 3k 5 minus 1 2 5 equals 0. You have to remember the standard assets. If we are given two lines, if the lines are coplanar, then condition for coplanarity is determinant x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. x1 is x minus 3, y1 is 1, z1 is 5, x2 is minus 1, y2 is minus 2, z2 is y2 is 2, z2 is 5. Then x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Then direction ratios of the first line, direction ratios of the second line is equal to 0. That is the condition for coplanarity of lines. Solving the equations, we get the value of k as 1. The value of k as 1. The two lines are perpendicular. You know, condition for perpendicular to two lines is A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2, C is 0. Then applying the formula, we get the value of alpha as minus 5, C choice. You look, the two lines are parallel. What is the condition for parallel is our two lines? Direction ratios are proportional. That is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. That is 2 by A equals minus 1 by 3 by B equals minus 1 by minus 1. That is A by 2 equals 2 by A equals 3 by B equals 1. Then you can easily get the value of A, value of B. Squaring and adding, we get A square plus B square is equal to 13. The shortest distance between the two lines. You know, if R is equal to A plus lambda B and R is equal to C plus mu D, then shortest distance between the lines is modulus of C minus A dot B cross D by modulus of B cross D. If R is A plus lambda B, R is C plus B D are two skew lines. Then the shortest skew lines, the lines which are neither parallel nor intersecting. Shortest distance between two lines is C minus A dot B cross D by modulus of B cross D. Putting the values of C, A, B and D, we get the shortest distance is 1 by root 6. 21st question. The equation of a line through 1, 2, 3 and parallel to the line x minus 2 by 1 is equal to y plus 3 by 7 is equal to 2z minus 6 by 3. In order to find the equation line, we need a point on the line plus direction ratios of the line. The point on the line is 1, 2, 3. The direction ratios of the line can be found out by making the given equation the standard form. You get the direction ratios of the line also. The correct choice is, then the direction ratio of the given line is 2:14:3. Therefore, the correct choice is A choice. Let us come to probability. A problem in mathematics is given to 3 students whose chances of solving it are 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. What is the chance that the problem is solved? What is the probability of A? 1 by 2. Probability of B? 1 by 3. Probability of C? 1 by 4. Therefore, probability of A bar 1 by 2. Probability of B bar 2 by 3. Probability of C bar 3 by 4. What is the chance that the problem will be solved? Is 1 minus probability of complement of A intersection, complement of B intersection, complement of C, which gives 3 by 4. A person is known to hit a target 3 out of 4. And another person is not hit the target 2 out of 3. What is the probability that the target will be hit by when they try both? The required probability is what are probability of A? 3 by 4. Probability of B? 2 by 3. Then what is probability of A bar? 1 by 2. Probability of B bar is also 1 by. Probability of B bar is 1 minus 2 by 3, which is 1 by 3. Then required probability is 1 minus probability of complement of A intersection, complement of B, which gives 1 minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 3, which is 1 minus 1 by 12, is 11 by 12. The correct choice is C. 2 persons A and B throw a coin alternately till one of them gets ahead and wins the game. Then the probability of winning by A. Let us take A, even of getting head in one draw. Then probability of A is 1 by 2. Probability of A bar is 1 by 2. Ordered probability of B, it is also 1 by 2. Probability of B bar is 1 by 2. Let us take the event of getting, event of winning by A. It is a very fine question. നമ്മുടെ എ ആദ്യം എറിയുന്നു. ആദ്യത്തെ അറ്റൻഡിൽ തന്നെ എക്ക് കിട്ടാം. അപ്പോൾ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് കംപ്ലീറ്റഡ്. അടുത്തെന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? വീണ്ടും എ തുടങ്ങുന്നു. എക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നില്ല. അപ്പോൾ 1 minus 1 by 2. ഉടൻ ബിക്ക് കൊടുക്കുന്നു. ബിക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നില്ല. 1 minus 1 by 2. പിന്നെ വീണ്ടും എയുടെ അടുത്ത് വരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ എ സോൾവ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ മൂന്നാമത്തെ അറ്റൻഡിൽ സോൾവ്. അപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് അറ്റൻഡിൽ 1 by 2, സെക്കൻഡിൽ 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. എ ആണ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് അറ്റൻഡിൽ എ ജയിക്കുന്നു. 1 by 2. അടുത്ത് രണ്ടാമത് ബിക്ക് കൊടുക്കുകയാണ്. ബിക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നില്ല. അപ്പോൾ കിട്ടാതിരിക്കുന്നതിൻ്റെ പ്രോബബിലിറ്റി 1 by 2. പിന്നെ സി അടുത്ത് വീണ്ടും എക്ക് കൊടുക്കുന്നു. 1 by 2. ലുക്ക് ആദ്യം എ അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്തു, കിട്ടുന്നു. എപ്പോഴും ഗെയിം സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന എ എന്നാണ്. രണ്ടാമത് എയുടെ കൈവശം കിട്ടുന്നു, അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു, കിട്ടുന്നില്ല. ഉടൻ ബിക്ക് കൊടുക്കുന്നു, ബിക്കും കിട്ടുന്നില്ല. അപ്പം അടുത്ത വീണ്ടും എക്ക് വന്നു, എക്ക് കിട്ടി. അപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് അറ്റൻഡിൽ എക്ക് കിട്ടാം, പിന്നെ ഇവിടുത്തെ മൂന്നാമത്തതിൽ എക്ക് കിട്ടാം. ഇങ്ങനെ പോകുമ്പോൾ ഇനി അഞ്ചാമത്തതിൽ വീണ്ടും എക്ക് കിട്ടും. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്കെന്താണ് 1/2 പ്ലസ് 1/4 ഇൻറ്റു 1/2 എക്സെട്ര എക്സെട്ര. ദിസ് ഈസ് സം ടു ഇൻഫിനിറ്റി ഓഫ് എ ജി പി. ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം ഈസ് അവസാനം ഞാൻ പോയി അറ്റൻഡ് അവസാനിക്കുന്നില്ല. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എന്തിട്ടും സം ടു ഇൻഫിനിറ്റി ഓഫ് എ ജി പി ഈസ് ഓൾവേസ് a by 1 minus r. Here a is 1/2, r is also 1/2. Therefore the answer is 1/2 into 1 minus 1. The correct choice is 2/3. Sum to infinity of a GP is a by 1 minus r. A is 1/2, r is 1/2 square. Therefore sum to infinity of a GP is a by 1 minus r. The final answer is 2/3. Probability of A is 3/8, probability of B is 5/8, probability of A union B is 3/4. We have to find probability of complement of intersection complement of B. എന്നാൽ ഇതിരിക്കുന്ന തിരുത്തിക്കൊണ്ടു probability of complement of intersection complement of B. What is the probability of A union B? Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Putting probability of A as 3/8, probability of B as 5/8, and probability of A union B as 3/4, we can find probability of A intersection B. We need to find probability of complement of intersection complement of B, which is probability of A union B the whole complement. The correct answer is 2/3. 30% students fail in English, 20% students fail in Hindi, 10% students fail in English and Hindi both. A student is chosen at random. What is the probability that he fails in English if he has failed in Hindi? We have to apply conditional probability. We can take S as a sample space. The experiment is random. We can take A as the student chosen fails in English, B as the student chosen fails in Hindi. What is A intersection B? Even that student chosen fails in both. Then n of A is 100, n of B is 20, n of A intersection B 10. What are probability of B? N of B by n of S, which gives 1/5. And the required probability is conditional probability and probability of A by B. What is probability of A by B? Probability of A intersection B by probability of B. Simplify, we get the answer is 1/2. The correct choice is C. It is also a problem in conditional probability. A bag contains 5 white balls and 8 red balls. 2 draws of 3 balls, each are made without replacement. What is the probability that first draw gives 3 white balls and second draw gives 3 red balls? You look, we can take the event. Yes, drawing 3 white balls from the first box. B, drawing 3 red balls from the second box. Second bag, not bag, box is second. But it's A intersection B. Even drawing 3 white balls in the first draw and 3 red balls in the second draw. Here, what out the first bag contains 5 white and 8 red balls. So, what is the sample space? Total 13. 5 plus 8, 13. From 13 balls, we have to select 3. That is 13C3 is a sample space. Then, drawing 3 white balls from 5 white balls is 5C3. Therefore, probability of A is 5C3 by 13C3, which gives 5 by 143. We can simplify it. Then, similarly, we can find probability of B. Then what are required probability? Required probability is conditional probability and P of A by B. That is P of A intersection B by P of B. Simplifying, we get the correct choice as C. P are given. P of A is 0.2. P of B by A is 0.3. We need to find P of A intersection B. What are P of A by B? P of A by B is P of A intersection B by P of B, conditional probability. Here we are given P of A, P of B by A. What are P of B by A? P of B intersection A divided by P of A. Putting the values of P of A and P of A intersection B, we get P of A intersection B as 0.6. We are given P of A is equal to 1 by 4, P of B bar is equal to 1 by 2, P of A union B is equal to 5 by 9. We are given P of A union B. What is P of A union B? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Substitute, and P of B bar is equal to 1 by 2, hence P of B is also 1 by 2. Then putting the values of P of A and P of B and P of A union B in the formula, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, get P of A intersection B. We need to find P of A by B. What is probability of A by B? Conditional probability. P of A intersection B by P of B. Simplifying, we get the correct choice as 7 by 18. We have to apply Bayes theorem. What is Bayes theorem? P of A1 by E is the common event. P of A union B is A by B is equal to P of A1 by E is equal to P of A1 into P of. Here we need to find P of A1 by E. What is P of A1 by E? P of A1 into P of E by A1, the whole divided by P of A1 into P of E by A1 plus P of A2 into P of E by A2. Bayes theorem. A1 and A2 are two events. E is the common event. Then recurrent probability is a man is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times. He throws a die and reports it 6. അവൻ പറയാണ് 6 ആണ് കിട്ടുന്നത്. അത് കിട്ടിയിരിക്കാം, കിട്ടാത്ത, കാരണം അവൻ എപ്പോഴും സത്യം പറയുന്നില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് പി ഓഫ് ഇ ബൈ എ വൺ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്തായിട്ട് എടുക്കാം? ഹി സ്പീക്സ് ദ ട്രൂത്ത്. അപ്പോൾ എത്ര ഇട്ടോടാം? 3 by 4. പി ഓഫ് ഇ ബൈ എ ടു എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഹി ഡസ് നോട്ട് സ്പീക്ക് ദ ട്രൂത്ത് ഓർ ഹി ടെൽസ് ദ ലൈ, വിച്ച് ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 1 minus 3 by 4, 1 by 4. And P of A1 as 1 by 6, it is given in the question. Not given in the question because he throws a die. Therefore, getting a 6 is 1 by 6. Getting not a 6 is 5 by 6. Probability of A1 is equal to 1 by 6. P of A2 is equal to 5 by 6. What is the Bayes theorem? P of A1 by E is equal to P of A1 into P of E by A1 by P of A1 into P of E by A2 plus P of A2 into P of E by A2. Simplifying, we get the correct choice as 3 by 8. Order and degree of the differential equation. Log of 1 plus d square y by dx square raised to the base e is equal to x. We can convert every logarithmic form into exponential form. The given equation can be written as 1 plus d square y by dx square is equal to e raised to x. Then what would order? Order is 2, degree is 1. The correct choice is order is 2, degree is 1. A choice. Differential equation, the family of curves represented by a into y is equal to a into e raised to x plus b into e raised to minus x is. In order to find the differential equation, we have to eliminate the arbitrary constants. Here the given equation contains 2 arbitrary constants. Therefore, we have to differentiate the given twice. First you have to find dy by dx. Then you have to find d square y by dx square. Then we know d square y by dx square is equal to a into e raised to x plus b into e raised to minus x and then kittum. Therefore, d square y by dx square is equal to y. Hence the equation is d square y by dx square minus y is equal to 0. Correct choice is B choice. There are 2 types of differential equations. dy by dx plus by is equal to q and dx by dy plus px is equal to q. Here, what are dx by dy? Dx by dy is equal to x plus y, or dx by dy minus x is equal to y, p is equal to minus 1, q is equal to y. What are the integrating factor? E raised to integral p dy, that is e raised to integral minus 1 y, that is e raised to minus y. The integrating factor is e raised to minus y. 34th question. Integrating factor of 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy is equal to 1 plus x square. Simplifying, we get dy by dx is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square into y equals 1 plus x square the whole square. Therefore, coefficient of y is 2x by 1 plus x square. Integrating factor is e raised to integral p dx, or e raised to integral 2x by 1 plus x square, e raised to log 1 plus x square. E raised to log f of x is always f of x. Therefore, integrating factor is x square plus 1. The correct choice is C. The given equation can be written as dy by root of 1 minus y square is equal to dx by root of 1 minus y x square. Integrating both sides, we get sin inverse y is equal to sin inverse x. We can take the constant as sin inverse c. Therefore, sin inverse y is equal to, what is sin inverse x plus sin inverse y? Sin inverse x into root of 1 minus y square plus y into root of 1 minus x square. Therefore, sin inverse x into root of 1 minus c square plus c into root of 1 minus x square. Then y is equal to x into root of 1 minus c square plus c into root of 1 minus x square. The correct choice is C choice. Solution of the differential equation. dy by dx is equal to root of 4 minus y square. We can write dy by dx. We are given dy by dx is equal to root of 4 minus y square. Hence, we can write dy by root of 4 minus y square is equal to dx. Integrating, integral dy by root of 2 square minus y square is equal to integral dx. You know, integral dx by root of s square minus x square is equal to sin inverse x by a. Therefore, sin inverse y by 2 is equal to integral dx x plus c, or y by 2 is equal to sin of x plus c. Then y is equal to 2 into sin of x plus c. The correct choice is D. The 37th question. dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square by 1 plus x square. We can write dy by 1 plus y square is equal to dx by 1 plus x square. Okay. Integrating, we get integral dy by 1 plus y square is equal to integral dx by 1 plus x square. You know, integral dx by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. Therefore, integral dy by 1 plus y square is equal to tan inverse y. And integral dx by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x. Therefore, tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse c. Like terms പോലെ എഴുതണം. But tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus c by 1 minus cx, or y is equal to x plus c by 1 minus cx. The correct choice is CA. 30th question. Differential equation of dy by dx is equal to y sin 2x. Given y of 0 is 11. That means when x is equal to 0, y is 11. We can, by using x is equal to 0 and y is 11, we can find the value of the constants. You look, dy by dx is equal to y into sin 2x. Therefore, dy by y is equal to sin 2x. Integral, hence integral dy by y is equal to integral sin 2x. Then we get log y is equal to minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. Log y is equal to minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus c. What is given? X is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. Putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1, we get log 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus c, because cos 0 is equal to 1. Hence c is equal to 1 by 2. Then log y is equal to minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 1 by 2. That is log y is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2x. That is log y is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos x to sin square x. Log y is equal to sin square x. Then y is equal to e raised to sin square x. The correct choice is B. So the ninth question. dy by dx plus y cot x is equal to cos x. It is a linear differential equation on y on x. Here what are p? P is equal to cot x. What are q? Cos x. Then what is integrating factor? E raised to integral p dx. That is e raised to integral cot x dx. You know integral cot x is log sin x. Therefore e raised to log sin x. What is e raised to log f of x, f of x? Then e raised to log sin x is equal to sin x. Therefore integrating factor is sin x. Then what are the solution? Y into e raised to integral p dx is equal to integral sin x into cos x dx. That is y into sin x is equal to what are sin x into cos x? Integral sin x into cos x. We can take sin x is equal to t. Therefore cos x dx is equal to dt. Therefore I is equal to integral t dt. T square by 2. That is sin square x by 2. Then we get y into sin x is equal to sin square x by 2 plus z. The correct choice is C. We are given 2 bags. A and B contains 2 white balls, 2 white, 4 red. B, second one contains 3 white and 3 red balls respectively. One of the bag is selected at random and a ball is drawn from it. If the ball is white color, then the probability that it is drawn from bag A. Bag contains 2 white, 4 red. Another 3 red and 3 white. Now we can take the common event as white color. Bag of white color. For solving this equation, you have to use Bayes' theorem. Let's A1 P of A1 is equal to 1 by 2 selecting the first bag 1 by 2. P of A2 is equal to 1 by 2 selecting the second bag. P of E by A1 2 white ball either 2 by 6. P of E by A1 is equal to 2 by 6. P of E by A2 3 by 6. Then what is the required property? P of A1 by E. That is P of A1 into P of E by A1 divided by P of A1 into P of E by A1 plus P of A2 into P of E by A2. Putting the values of all this, we get the correct choices 2 by 5. That is D choice. Okay, my dear students. 40 question. വളരെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ തിയറി പാർട്ടൂടെ പഠിപ്പിച്ച് പോകണമെങ്കിൽ ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ 10 മിനിറ്റ് എടുക്കും. 1 മണിക്കൂറിൽ 10 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസേ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുള്ളൂ. 40 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ ഇൻ ഡെപ്തിൽ ക്ലാസ് റൂം ടീച്ചിങ് ആണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് 4 മണിക്കൂർ വേണം. ഇന്നത്തെ പരിസ്ഥിതി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സബ്ജക്റ്റ് അറിയാമെന്നുള്ള ധാരണയിൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് എൻട്രൻസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ചിലത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കൺസെപ്റ്റ് അറിഞ്ഞുകൂടാതിരിക്കും. ഒന്നുകൊണ്ടും പേടിക്കണ്ട. എൻ്റെ ടെലിഫോൺ നമ്പറുണ്ട്, നിങ്ങളുടെ വിളിച്ച് ചോദിച്ചിട്ട് എൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് ഒരു ഡെപ്തിൽ ഓരോന്നിൻ്റെയും കൺസെപ്റ്റ് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു തന്നിരിക്കും. ഈ 40 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്മുടെ നേരെ ചൊവ്വ പഠിച്ചാൽ തിയറി പാർട്ടിനും വളരെ യൂസ്ഫുള്ളാണ്. തിയറി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഇത് 40 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നേരെ പഠിച്ചാൽ ഈ 3 ചാപ്റ്ററിലുള്ള തിയറി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈസി ആയിട്ട് അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ സാധിക്കും. ഡൗട്ടുള്ളവർ പ്ലീസ് കോൺടാക്ട് മീ, കമൻറ്റ് മീറ്റ് മീ. ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പറഞ്ഞു തരാം. ധൈര്യമായിട്ടിരിക്കൂ. എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഒരു മടിയും കൂടാതെ എൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് വന്നോളൂ. ബെസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ലക്ക് ഫോർ മൈ ഡിയർ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്.